And there's little baby on the right and Mama on the left. I came in and grabbed little baby to play with her. As you see, there's 4 eggs in there. Little baby Sweety Cinnamini, she's sitting on one of the eggs. And he's just sitting on 3. I was like, that is so cute. I'm just going to put him back. I'm going to stay there like that. Oh, Daddy loves you. Oh, Daddy loves you, sweet Cinnamini and Heis. You're such precious little babies. Oh, yes you are. What are you doing, Cinnamini? My little bird. Okay, Cinnamini, Daddy's just looking at you. I'm just looking at you. Just your little feathers there.